2013 Chrysler Town & Country at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Chrysler is well equipped with a V6 engine, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, a backup camera, only one previous owner, leather seats, push-button start, a heated steering wheel, navigation, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, a DVD player with a remote, 2-drop video screens, power and heated front seats, stow and go third row seats, under 104,000 miles. It's under $14,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-317-5233.